Annyeong! Welcome back to my channel. I'm getting ready for an event today. Before anything, I'm just going to start with my skincare. These are the products in my routine right now. I have been getting tiny bumps lately, so I have included BHA water from Asian Tree to help smooth down the bumps, and this DXA niacinamide serum from Anwar is my holy grail. As you can see, I am down to my last drop, and I love this PDRN from Anwar too. My moisturizer is this Dr. Altea 345 Relief Cream. For sunscreen, I tend to switch up very often. Please don't judge me because my makeup bag is a mess right now. This is my makeup and these are all the lippies. Okay, I feel like I want to use this three for my base and do like a wear test throughout the day, so we'll see. This is the Sobella Last Forever Primer, Please Stay Setting Spray, and the last one is Absolute Cover Liquid Foundation. I'm in the shade Cotton, by the way. What was that? Do we need more? Maybe a bit more. I have this brush set I bought and they are the cutest. Let me show you one of them. Okay, this is the powder brush. Look how thick and fluffy and soft it is. I've used it, by the way. But look at the end of the handle. It's heart shaped. Like, so cute. And my niece, being the genius that she is, she gave me an idea that it could be used as a stem, a heart stem on the cheeks. And I freaking love these brush bags, but it can stand like that. So let's start with foundation. This is the foundation. Maybe that much. Blending it with the Blossom Puff. By the way, that's the foundation blended onto the back of my hands. The shade is pretty good on me actually. Setting my under eye. For the rest of my face. Melt everything with a setting spray. This is my eyebrow. Shade 04 if you're looking for like a nice, affordable blonde eyebrow. Try this one. Look at that. My brow Cara, the infamous Novo. For the makeup, this is what I want to try. Emphasize on try. Like, look at that. So I have this big ass neutral palettes. And I think we can use it today. Maybe I should contour the nose first. This is the contour I'm using. I'm gonna line the waterline with this liner from Shea Glam. Oh, look at my table right now. This is the blush I'm gonna use. For lashes, I'm using this one. For today's perfume, I layered Higher Pistachio from Paris Corner with Lattafa Eclair. The combination smells so sweet. For my lips, I start by overlining it with a taupe lip liner. I'm using the one from Unleasha, followed by a nude brown color all over, and I deepen the center and my cupid's bow with a darker color. Blend the edges with some leftover concealer, and lastly, I applied some nude gloss. Here's my quick makeup check while I wait for the elevator. So far, I'm liking it. I actually wanted to do like the car park OTD, but my parking neighbor is like doing something to his car right now, so yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I normally take pictures like right in front here so that the lighting, because the lighting is really good, but my car park neighbor is doing something. Maybe when I come back after the event I can do an OTD if the lighting is still good at that time. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the gas station, fill up my tank, and I'm going straight to the event space, which is near Jaya 1. So I'm gonna be parking at Jaya 1 and walk to the space. The drive took about 40 minutes. Today I felt like driving on my own because I checked online and it was quite easy to get parking. If it was somewhere hectic, I would have just took a Grab. And now I'm at Bukit Kiara and the traffic is so bad. I'm trying to exit the road. For Right now I'm just walking from GRWM to JMPJ. It's just about a 5-minute walk, and here we are at the Shopee House event. They had this 90s jajan welcome corner. That's just so cute. I'm gonna take home some Apollo, Super Ring, Teddy cookies. What was your favorite jajan growing up? Tell me in the comments down below. Today's event is Y2K retro theme. How is Y2K considered retro? Anyway, for today's outfit, I was feeling that 5th members of the Cheetah Girls vibe. Be honest, what do you think of my outfit today? By the way, today's Shopee House carries 70 brands, local and international. Speaking of local brands, Silky Girl is a local brand and she has been here even during the Y2K. She's a real survivor. Oh, by the way, right now I'm doing this DIY home bracelet kit where I can do it at home later. And of course, what's an event without food? I had some Pizza Hut, mac and cheese from Pop Meals, and tteokbokki. And there's also chaji and tea leaf to crunch on first.
Yes, anyway, just download the apps and then put the quick.
Okay, now we're gonna feed my emotional support pet. Apparently, I have been missing out because the mac and cheese and tteokbokki slap. They were so good, I forgot to flip. So you just gotta trust me on that. And the last booth we stopped by was Innisfree, so we both can get our dose of main gear. Here are some footages of me wasting time because I never have any luck when it comes to lucky draw. And yeah, that wraps up the event. We're starving and we're gonna head to MyTOWN to get some key barbecue. So tonight we're having dinner at Dongnae BBQ. It's a fairly new BBQ joint here at MyTOWN. I love it here. Look at all the banchans they had. And this Korean green tea, I had like 3 glasses of them. So good. I really wanted the baby squid, so we opted for the premium buffet. It comes with 7 types of meat, all free flow, including the baby squids and prawns.
Tak apa, bloopers. Itulah macam baru nak cakap macam besar sangat je. Mana pakai Shopee AP ni? Okay.
After tax, the price came about to 55 ringgit per pack, which personally I think is super worth it because it comes with baby squids and they change the grill for you if you burn them too bad, like we did. Okay, now let's go to Miniso. I came here for the butter bear, but this is the only thing I can find. And then I saw the Stitch Y2K Gen Z Blindbox and Stitch means Ohana. Ohana means family, and family never gets left behind. So I ended up picking one home.
Dan sedap. Apa yang menyebabkan dia berat apa yang buat tadi ni? Sama je.
Mana yang tengah tadi? Ni
Ni lah.
So can you guys guess which one is my favorite? And then we saw this clown series, and of course me being the good friend, I had to influence her to get one.
Besar marah. Ikut saya.
Just 2 girls influencing each other to buy redemptions.
Ni macam bitter juice. Ni pure milk lah. Tak ada pink kat tepi je.
Gajah.
Right now Farah is just saying her prayers. And I didn't know there's another blind box shop outside Miniso, and they had all these blind boxes. Thank God I had some willpower. And yeah, that wraps up the day. I just realized I lost my Hello Kitty back charm. Thank God Jungkook is still here. So I'm gonna show you everything that I got during the Shopee House event today. Let's go. By the way, it's not everything that I got because I went with a friend as my +1, and the +1s don't get any samples, so that's a bummer. But I shared everything with her, so this is not half but maybe 2/3 of it. So let's start with the first bag. This one is from Shopee. So I got a pad, and it's actually the one that I use. It's from Blood, and it's made from corn fiber, not cotton, because it claims to be rash free and mudah dicuci because it's made of corn fiber. From what I learned, corn fiber actually serap lagi laju daripada cotton, so it prevents leaking sebab dia cepat. Kalau korang biasa yang pakai cotton or gel or whatever other fibers for your pads and you get rashes, try this one because I have switched this for the past couple of months and it has been the best decision I've made. So yeah. You will get a whole lot of vouchers and flyers for the products, and oh wait, there was also 2 photo booths, so we took pictures. This is the first one. I don't like it, but Farah did so. And this is the other one. I like this one, so I'm gonna put it here. This one. Going on to the next bag. This one is from Inho. I put a lot of other. If you guys saw that, I just dropped my phone. On to the next bag again. This is from Inho, and I put other stuff. And I got a cute tote bag from Polo Heels. It's big. It's so big. And the bag says, "For your everyday style." The other dual strap, you can shoulder carry it or hand carry it. At the button, this is good quality. Oh, see other zippers. Next one is from Inho. This is the Blindbox figure display box, and it got the kitty ears. Let's open this. It came in 4 colors, and they gave me the creamy white. I'm so excited for this one. Let's throw away. Magnetic. That was just the sticky thing you put on the wall so you can hang it. Okay, let me try to put my cookie inside with the burger. The next one, oh my god, I pergi Lovito punya booth, and there was like a seashell handbag, and I was like, that is so cute. So I took it and like took picture with it, like the 0.6 kind of picture. Do you like that one? Do you like that one? If you like that one, I will give you that one. I was like, I like it. Obviously, I like it. So I got the mermaid bag. Oh my god, it's so bright. Oh, look at that. She's perfect. See? It's a shell. And then the strap, it comes with a pearl strap. And also the regular strap, but we don't need that. Let's move on to the next one. This one is from Nanovet. Well, they only gave 1 product, which is their pet powder for fleas and tick. Because it's like the perfect timing because my cats got fleas infection and I want to try this on them because kesian diorang tergaruk-garuk. Next one, wet wipes. We got a lot of wet wipes because ada banyak gila babies punya booth. But the first one is from Momo House. This is the baby wipes. Paraben free, alcohol free. So it's safe for babies. Safe for me because I'm a baby. And then we went to Wetty punya booth and we got travel pack. Ada yang fragrance free and also the one with fragrance. This one is, the green one is apple, the blue one is fragrance free, and the pink one is rose. This is the last bag. I put all the makeup, skincare products and whatnot into this one bag, so it's easier. To show you guys. For the first one, it's from the Pastel Shop, and they gave me pimple patch hydrocolloid acne patch. This is like the big size, yang besar macam besar tu. You can cut them up, or you can, if you have luka ke apa, you can slap it on like that. If you get a lot of breakouts here, like a lot of whiteheads, just slap it on. Disedot semua segala kuman, kotoran dan dosa-dosa lampau. We went to Panalab and they were so nice. They gave us each 2 lippies for Farah and me. So these are the lippies. By the way, Panalab is available at Mr. DIY. Kalau korang tak pernah tengok, it says camera ready. I got 2 shades. Where are the shades? One is in Wow. One is in Always Steady. Look at the packaging. So comel. Okay, let me swatch it for you guys. This is Wow. Light nude color. That's pretty. And the other one is Always Steady. This one is slightly deeper. So if you have light skin like me, take this one. If you have medium to tan skin, I'll try this one soon. So cute. Thank you, Panalab. Next one is from Cosmoderm. Cosmoderm is a Malaysian brand, I believe. And they give 3 samples, vitamin C, retinol, and hyaluronic acid. I actually pakai this one and it's good. Kalau korang beginner with retinol, tak ada purging. And then from Sasa, I think we got micellar water. Also from Bifasta, micellar cleansing sheet. So this one is sheet soaked in micellar water. So senang, travel friendly korang bawa ni, and then you can remove your makeup anytime. And I I went to Skin Chonsa and I got their Water Fit Sun Serum. So this is the full size. I actually pakai ni and I got a sample size now. Sasa gave a lot of samples actually, so I don't know which one are from them or which one from other brands, but they gave me a sample of the new perfume from Toast Love Me. Another perfume sample. This one's from Mercedes-Benz. I'll just give this to my dad. And I got 2 items from Babies, a Minyak Talon and also a baby herbal cream from Tropica and Teddy. So I'm probably gonna give this to my sister because she got a toddler with her. I'm not sure where I got these two, maybe from Sasa as well. This one is Koi Star Deep Moisturizing Fluid. Also I got this one, Cell Fusion C Laser Sunscreen. I always keep this vial of sunscreen so I can put it in my handbags and I can like use it anytime I need to reapply my sunscreen, so I always keep this one. I think this is also from Sasa. It's a sheet mask, calming care face mask with turmeric. And then we went to Kiehl's. We got some mini samples. This is Creme de Corp. I don't even know what that is. We got a serum and a cleanser. And then we went to Silky Girl and they actually gave two full-size setting sprays. So one is the pink one. I gave that one to Farah because it's mattifying and she likes mattifying setting spray. And I kept the hydrating one. Full size, okay, full size. Local brands are like, you guys are the best. And the last but not least, I went to Innisfree and got mango postcards. I went there and I saw they had tangerines plushie, so I took the tangerine plushie and then I took the mango photo card on display. So I just like took pictures of it. And then the girl was like, "Do you like mango? Because we are out of samples, but I can give you mango photo cards." I was like, "Do I like mango? Like, I want to marry him." No, I want to marry his best friend, Jungkook. He's pretty. And then she gave one to Farah as well. So, Innisfree. So yeah, that's my haul from the Shopee House event. I'll talk to you guys soon then. Bye. Bye guys.